Leave Squad in Mobile Legends. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering how you can do that, you may follow this process in order to do so. So for that, once you open up your Mobile Legends application, the next step you need to follow up is you may go ahead and look out for the squad icon in the right hand side of your screen. You should be finding friends option. So look out for the squad icon and tap on it. And once you open it up here, it will show you your squads. So here, in order to leave up the squad, what you need to do is simply go ahead and from the space, once you have joined the squad, and then once your squad approval is approved, you will be finding this with the my squad, squad tasks, squad statistics, squad management, and everything option. So you may go ahead and look out for the option, the last one, which is squad management. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then once you tap on it here, it will show you the squad including the members. So in order to exit, you may go ahead and look out for your account, and you should be finding an exit option right beside your account. So you may just go ahead and tap on that option, the exit option right beside your account, and tap on it. After that, you need to confirm that you want to leave the squad. So in order to do so, you need to input quit. So just go ahead and type in quit in this box right here. After that, click on OK, and once that is done, you will be leaving the squad and your activeness resets to 0. So that is it. You may just follow up the same process if you want to leave a squad in a Mobile Legends as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.